still working. We haven't gotten filled yet, and it's been about 5 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to raise this up to 16 cents and see if we can't get out at 16 cents. Now, when we do have, see, we've got $305 of profit open on this, and so we'll capture that $305 as soon as we get out of this position. We made $40 just today on this position. Let's try 17. So you don't mind giving up a little bit of profit, but yep, I got, and the VIX is going up, so we had to give up. I mean, we started out at 15 cents. Now, this is a good lesson, okay? So, I mean, most, like this morning, I had no problem getting out at my you know, at the price that I wanted, which was really, I think, a penny off the mid price. Here we had to go up 2 cents. We got out at 17 cents here. We started out at 15 cents. You can see down here we got out at 15, went to 16, we got it, and then we ended up getting filled at 17. So when you have a few cents, I mean, when you've got 90% of your profit, this is what I mean. When you've got 90% of your profit, you can afford to give up a few pennies. It doesn't really matter that much. At this point, what I wanted to do was I wanted to pare those positions down. You can see now in the April positions, I've gotten my SPY positions off. I'm not in the April position anymore, and that's the way I want it. I want out of that 7-day position, because the closer you get to expiration, there's all kinds of weird things that can happen, especially gamma risk. The closer we get to, if the market happened to get to one of our strike prices, then we get some weird stuff going on, and I'm going to take my profit at 90%. So we're out of the SPYs. If we take a look at our portfolio now, the only thing we have left on there is the EEMs, and the EEMs are looking pretty good. I'm not too worried about them. It's not bad. Let's see. No, we want to take a look at EEM. I'm still on SPY. We're right in here now on this position. Now because we do build portfolios, we had a lot of different positions on here. Let me just refresh your memory. We had a SPY position that's gone. We had an EEM IWM this morning. We took that off. We still have the EEM and the diamonds we took off this morning as well. So all those other positions are gone. The only one we have left is this one. This one shows still some profit potential here. We can still move down on this quite a bit and still be in a profitable position. Our current profit on this is $138 with one contract. Remember, I'm talking small contracts. We've got, imagine if we had 10 contracts. Okay, now we're up $1,300. If we had 20 contracts, we'd be up $2,300 just on this one position. I mean, how much money do you want to make? That is the only question. Once you learn how to build your portfolio and manage these positions, it's only a matter of size. So now this position, because the market is falling, now we're down 237 points. When we started out, we were down about 200 points. Now we're down to almost 240. This could go down a little bit more, and we'd be even in a better position. We made about $30 today. We have 136 open, but let's see where the expiration is. The expiration is $351. So we've got a couple $100 of profit still in this position that we could take out of it if we hung in there just a little bit more. And since I do not like to predict, price, I only want to manage a portfolio based on numbers, then you know what? I've got upside, I've got downside. It doesn't matter if the market goes up or down from this point. I'm going to be in a profitable position. So I've got room to let this ride a little bit, and I may do that just to grab a little bit more profit out of this position. So we're going to leave this for now, but this is how you close out profitable positions. If we were in a losing position, if we ever get in a losing position, I'll do a video on that too. So you may find one on your CD, but this is how you trade with confidence, because it doesn't matter if the market goes up or down. What you want to always want to take a look at is where your current profitable position is, and that's this white line here. Your expiration position is this green line here, and when you hover your mouse over your current position and the live price, you can tell what the difference is between your current position and the profit potential that you have available left in this position, which is about $200 in this little position. So we're going to hang in there, I think, a little bit more because we got room to breathe. And